So I love Ikea and I was so excited to be able to go with my partner. I was looking for this pegboard and I love the way it just sits on the wall and you can customize it however you want. I found the board that I wanted in one of the display things. I was like, yes, where is this? But didn't realize that I had to wait till the very end to grab it. Then we kind of walked around as you do at Ikea and just looked at the really cool displays. I loved how this display was set out with like the bench against the wall. I think it's such a cute look. I just was like, I want this in my house. Of course, we went to the kids section to see all the cute plushies that they have. I actually have the bear and the shark, but I ended up calling my shark Chumley and the bear is Freddy. And how cute is this little chef panda that we walked past? I was like, oh my god, I kind of want the panda. After that, I got some lunch and had Mad Max, and I'm sorry, but ew, I think GYG is so much better than Mad Max. Time to drive home, and I'm excited to set up my pegboard. I sort of laid out and designed the pegboard, but I don't exactly know if it's gonna fit like books and stuff in terms of the height, so we'll see. Because I am quite a small person, I cannot quite reach over my desk because my monitors and I sort of have to get up, blah blah blah, and will probably break the wall trying to drill it in myself. So my dad had to help me out here, thank you very much, and time to lay it out. Honestly, with the prints and the decor that I've done, I think it looks pretty cute. currently filming with my iPhone 11, which I no longer really use as a phone. And obviously, it being an iPhone, the quality is not great. And I've noticed a bit of grain and like weird autofocus things, kind of weird. So I've actually been wanting this little camera for a while, and it is the Osmo Pocket 3. It's a really cute vlog camera. It's so small and cute. I said cute twice, but it literally fits in my bag so easily, and I'm really excited to get it. I have not used it in this video. I've used my iPhone 11, but yeah, I love this camera. I just think it's really cool and really cute.